Hi, this is Mark. It's Thursday, July 23rd, 2020. Update on my hydroponic garden. Everything's doing great. Like I said, it's not really the way I planned it. But if you can see, my Dutch bucket tomatoes, which are on the other side of this fence, have crawled over onto my canopy, which I kind of expected, but it's basically now going to block all the light for my lettuce, which I've got tons of, and I'm assuming I'm going to be harvesting this tomatoes soon, so maybe I can trim it back. At this point, I'm just going to kind of hope it doesn't destroy the canopy. I don't think it's going to, but it looks like it's going to start raining over the side of this thing. So, again, I really underestimated the tomatoes and how viney they are. And when you're doing a hydroponic solution, you're giving them exactly what they need. Boy, they thrive, and they keep crawling. They don't give up. Just to give you a comparison, here's my dirt garden. Same tomatoes, large cherry tomatoes. In a few videos I said they were beefsteak, and I mixed them a bunch up, and I think I lost all my beefsteak somehow. And anyway, I ended up with all these cherry tomatoes, which are really good. I've eaten a couple that have ripened. Pepper plants, again, they're struggling with fighting off the tomatoes because that was stupid. But I do have some nice size peppers coming out of this. Tons of tomatoes. I bought a pressure canner. It's on its way. In 2020, I guess during the COVID, the pressure canners became a hot item because people want to can their food. That's kind of understandable. But look at all the tomatoes I have. Look at this. Tons of them, tons of them. There's my daughter saying hello. All right, well, that's kind of it for now. My Cracky has been putting out ripened tomatoes, and I've been putting on my salad as I go, just coming out here taking the red ones. So have a good day. Hi, Emily. Have a good day. Wave, Emily. Wave.